Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, please consider subscribing, but let's have our discussion on Bonk. As we know, Bonk has been absolutely killing it. It's on steroids right now, and we're going to be talking about what really is next for Bonk. A lot of exciting stuff to cover in this update. Something that I've been specifically discussing regarding Bonk on my most recent updates is actually about to happen. And of course, I will tell you exactly what I'm speaking about. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. If we're looking at the overall markets, the market is looking absolutely amazing. We have seen the market bouncing towards the upside because of Bitcoin. Looking at Bonk up about 11.4% on the daily time frame. But what's really impressive right now is how it's performing on the weekly time frame. 48% gain in the last week alone, just behind Pepe. Very, very close, very similar price action recently. And as well, if you're looking at it on the monthly time frame, it's up 50%. Obviously, Pepe has been killing it on the monthly time frame, but Bonk is giving me a lot of bullish signs right now. And I think we could be expecting more upside. And honestly, in the upcoming days, there's a chance that Bonk could become the largest meme coin on Solana. Of course, I will explain what I'm talking about. Before we do that, as always, just a quick disclaimer. Anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. As you guys know, I give you guys the most neutral update. If things were not looking bullish, I would be completely straight up. I don't care. And you guys know that. But as of now, guys, Bonk is showing crazy strength. Remember, this is one of the coins that has been in the space for, I think, just a little over a year. And we did see that Solana meme coin, as I have discussed over the past, I would say even last year, I was discussing, we will see a massive Solana ecosystem. That actually did end up happening, and we did see a bunch of different meme coins taking over Bonk in terms of market cap. But I think Bonk is about to make its way back above to the upside and actually reclaim the top spot. I will explain why I think that. Looking at the market cap, $2.4 billion in the 24-hour trading volume, currently sitting at almost $500 million. The price at 36.15, still about 4 zeros in front of the price, up 10.9% in USD and about 8% in Bitcoin comparative over the past 24 hours. Impressive numbers, to say the least. But what I want you guys to be taking a look at the engagement Bonk is doing. Absolutely amazing engagement. And of course, it's really, really important for a meme coin to be doing that. But this is one of the very few meme coins, as I've mentioned to you guys before, that actually is bringing utility as well. But great stuff that is happening from the Bonk's team, literally from the get-go. Not just right now, when we are seeing the bullish momentum come about. Not just now, they've been doing that. So a huge shout out on that side of things. But let me explain to you why I think, Bonk could be making its way to become the largest meme coin in the Solana ecosystem. So if you're looking at the overall meme coin market, of course, everything is absolutely exploding right now. But you're looking at Dog with Hat, which is the current top, performer. And of course, the top meme coin in terms of market valuation. But you're seeing Bonk absolutely killing it over the last week, over the last 24 hours, and it's coming to knock on the door for Dog with Hat to reclaim its spot back. And of course, your boy Crypto ZX, what I personally predicted a while ago, this cycle, we're still seeing that battle going on, with Ethereum and Solana. Of course, Ethereum ETFs were approved, historic definitely on that scale of things, but as I've said, that is going to be short-lived. We are seeing a lot of hype coming into, the Ethereum ecosystem, Ethereum DeFi, but I think it's going to be short-lived just because of, a lot of flaws that Ethereum chain brings. And this is why, we're seeing Solana ecosystem exploding at such a high rate because of those problems that Ethereum has. But, I think we're going to see a battle between Bonk and Pepe. I'm very confident about that. We saw that happening a few months ago as well. Then, of course, we saw a crazy Solana, meme coin mania that absolutely just went through the roof. but I think we're about to see things pick up once again. Of course, there's no doubt that Pepe has such a high market cap, such a high lead right now. But if you are in this crypto space, anything can happen. Anything can happen in a snap of a finger. So I do have very close eyes on Bonk. I'm very curious to see how it does. And when I pull out the charts, I will, give you guys the visuals as to what I'm looking at, and I think it will be making more sense that way. But as far as becoming the largest meme coin on Solana chain, I think that is definitely a realistic thing that could happen in the upcoming days ahead of us. So if we're looking at the Bitcoin dominance, dominance continuing to fall down. Of course, we did see BTC bouncing back above, $68,000, currently almost at 69. Obviously, we have quite a bit of resistance coming in our way, but so far so good. But now, if you're looking at Bonk, on the other hand, you're starting to see it's trying to reclaim the monthly high, not the yearly high. Of course, the yearly high would be its all-time highs, which was obviously in March. But huge resistance, guys, massive amounts of resistance around this range. Of course, we were able to clear the resistance that kind of dates back to the December highs, December all-time highs, and then we saw a significant pullback, and then the market just picked up once again, and we know what happened. The rest was history. But right now, what you're starting to see with Bonk is it has cleared its previous resistance, as I've mentioned, and we're having a little bit of a hard time breaking out of that range. But now you do have a little bit more resistance coming in the way. Especially if you want to know the exact number, about the 36.95 zone. If this is able to clear out, guys, we could be making our way towards all-time highs, which would automatically mean Bonk has become the largest meme coin on the Solana chain. So going to be really interesting to see. But guys, look at this. If you're looking at it on the hourly time frame, this is a thing of beauty. This is one of the nicest looking charts right now, and the fact that we have gone out of this key resistance, it would make more sense looking at the hourly time frame, especially now that if you're looking at it, we did see a little bit of a hard time since breaking below this support. Bonk had a really hard time breaking out of this key resistance, but as soon as you see this breakout, we're seeing a lot of heat coming in on Bonk's side, and I think we are off to new all-time highs just based off of what I'm seeing right now. In order for it to hit a new all-time high, that is just a move of about another 30%. And I think that is quite a realistic target to be aiming for right now if you are, part of the Bonk community. Of course, we do have that previous all-time high, which is not the previous all-time high, our all-time high of the year, which is 46.23. Obviously, that is going to be a hurdle. If it's able to get past that, then obviously price discovery mode. But do expect a little bit of a rejection around these levels if we're able to break out of here. But if we're able to break out of this key resistance, I don't see Bonk having any issues getting to that specific spot. But do let me know down below what you guys think. Love you all. See you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.